Okay, so we'll try this. See if we can get it to stay. Kind of hear the rattling when it first started and when it stopped. Kind of a rattle, clunking noise. It's actually not doing it really bad now. She's cold. I haven't started her in a couple days. Of course, you have a little lifter tick, but that's normal.